shows that you can use the code on car functions to format academic formulas. So you may need to write academic formulas such as the one that we see here, 4 mu plus sigma squared for math, physics, etc. So to do this, we can use the car function in our concatenate formula. I've looked up in the Unicode table for you what the codes for each of these characters are, and I have it in this table here, so we can easily write this formula. So let's go equal 4 ampersand, and we want to get mu, so we do car, and the code for mu is 181. Then we want to put a plus sign, so we put our ampersand for concatenate, and the plus sign has a Unicode value of 43, so car 43. We concatenate, and then we want to put sigma, so it's 963. So car 963 will give us the sigma squared. So let's put the ampersand sign and put car 178. We've got our formula here. And hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to get more videos like this, and hit the bell to get notifications of the latest videos out. See you in the next video.